Segment is sponsored by the Good Feet store. This is the time of year when many people are making resolutions and setting goals for the new year. Daniel is here from the Good Feet store to tell us more about starting the new year on the right foot. See what I did there? You like that joke, Daniel?
Yeah, that was great.
He's really impressed. Okay, how can Good Feet help us keep and start our new resolutions?
Well, resolutions can be really tricky, right? In fact, so many people are giving up on them really quickly.
Yeah.
And resolutions are about feeling good and looking good and being more active. These really positive things where everybody wants to be their best selves.
That's true.
And the Good Feet store is one thing you can do to really invest in yourself to allow you to accomplish these very common goals more easily.
Yeah, I love that. Okay, Daniel, tell us a little bit more about the Good Feet store.
So Good Feet is here we specialize in personally fit premium arch supports that are uniquely designed to help guide your foot into its natural and ideal position, which takes pressure off of heavy pressure areas, aligns your feet and body, and makes you feel better while you're on your feet throughout the day.
Yeah, well, that kind of goes along with my next question. So feeling good is one thing everyone would love to do for sure, right? So how can Good Feet help achieve just common goals?
So if you're trying to look good, it's that great posture. You're standing up straight. That looks confident. It looks strong. It looks great.
Even with like different things like in your feet with these, it can make you stand straighter?
Stand straighter. And most people will identify that immediately standing on the supports.
Just with the arch support?
With the supports in there. If you're trying to feel good with an improved alignment, you have a spring in your step. And I'm a performance guy, so that's why I love my supports. And if you're about performance, when your body is in proper alignment, it allows you to go farther, to accomplish more on your feet, and feel great while you do it.
What's a goal that you've been able to accomplish with Good Feet?
Last year I set a long distance running goal where I was trying to run 1,000 miles for the year, and I was able to surpass that goal and hit a PR in a half marathon along the way. I use this support underneath my foot for every mile. It feels great, and I'm able to do whatever I want, and it was a huge year for me.
Daniel, congratulations. That's incredible.
Thank you.
Let's talk about the inserts here. So when you go in, kind of walk us through what will happen.
So the first thing is we want to get to know you. What is your lifestyle? What are goals that you want to achieve? What's really bringing you in? Really understand the ins and outs of who you are. From there, we go through a personalized fitting process, helping you find what are the right levels of support for your needs that's going to help accomplish your goals.
Okay, and are all the inserts different purposes, right? Maybe some for runners, maybe just for like every day?
Yeah, so these here are supports like for every day. Some of them are great for being on your feet for long periods of time. Others are really great for those sandals and flip-flops and heels that don't have a lot of room and often do not offer much for support. And they're able to give you that great feeling underneath your feet, put your whole body into better alignment.
Incredible. What makes you guys stand out from other stores?
Nobody does what we do. We are very much alone in this department. We are here to help you feel better. And it's not just about one individual shoe with the right support. It's transferable from shoe to shoe, and everything can feel better.
That's true. It's just an insert, so you can still wear your favorite shoes. I'd love that. Daniel, where can we go for more information?
We have 3 locations in Utah, in Sandy, in Riverton, and in Farmington. You can stop in and come in for your personalized fitting. 1-800-NEW-FEET will put you in touch with your local Good Feet store. You can make an appointment. We offer virtual appointments still, or you can go to goodfeetnw.com to learn more information.
And just imagine, you can feel so much better in those shoes you're wearing. Daniel, great to see you.
Yeah, thank you so much.